Ever felt that gut-wrenching panic when your social media reach suddenly plummets? One day your content is flying, the next it's invisible. This isn't just bad luck, it's algorithm anxiety, and it's a real challenge for every creator and social media manager. Algorithm anxiety strikes when platform shifts disrupt your carefully crafted strategy. Instagram favors Reels, X boosts replies, YouTube pushes Shorts, your feed flips, and your heart sinks. This stress comes from feeling a loss of control over your content's performance. Platforms constantly update their algorithms to optimize for user engagement and time on site. They analyze preferences to keep people scrolling, which can leave creators feeling like they're chasing an invisible target. This constant flux can lead to burnout. Expect change on every social network. It's an inherent part of the digital landscape. Algorithms are designed to evolve, introducing new formats, tweaking policies, and adjusting moderation. These changes are how platforms extract profit by controlling user behavior. Instead of fighting these inevitable shifts, understand that they are a constant. Your focus should shift from chasing every new trick to building something more resilient. Adaptability is key to navigating this ever-changing environment. Are you obsessively checking your reach throughout the day? Do you copy trending content without considering your brand's context? Deleting posts that underperform or ignoring comments are also red flags. These behaviors indicate you're stuck in an algorithm-chasing loop. This reactive approach often leads to burnout and a diluted content strategy. You might feel shame when a post flops, letting algorithmic recommendations control your mood and moves. It's time to break free from this cycle. You can't outsmart the recommender systems, but you can outserve them. The most powerful antidote to algorithm anxiety is building genuine connections with your audience. Relationships outlast any algorithmic update, providing a stable foundation for your growth. Know your core audience. Who are they, and what are their pain points? Consistently deliver value, not just fleeting trends. Spark two-way conversations, whether through polls, Q&As, or simply replying to every comment. Control what you can by building assets you own. Set up an email newsletter and a simple website or blog. This owned media ensures you have a direct line to your audience, independent of any platform's algorithm. Adopt a hub-and-spoke strategy. Make your website the hub, then repurpose content for various social platforms. This diversifies your reach and keeps your voice consistent, reducing reliance on any single algorithm. Watch real signals like saves and click-throughs, not rumors. Algorithm updates will keep coming, but your authentic relationships will endure. Focus on serving your audience first, providing consistent value and fostering building genuine connections. This approach builds a resilient presence that transcends algorithmic whims. Ready to reclaim your peace of mind and build a truly sustainable online presence? Start by identifying your audience's core needs. Then commit to delivering consistent value and sparking real conversations this week. Take control, reduce your stress, and thrive beyond the algorithm's shadow.